If you want to become a digital marketer in 2025, this is the shortest video to get started. Hi, I'm Ishan and this is Digital Marketing Explained in 5 minutes or less. There are 20 keywords which you need to know to get started. The first one is digital marketing itself. It is the process of building an online presence for a brand or for a person. It can either be done through paid or unpaid sources. Paid could be Google ads, Facebook ads, and free could be creating a YouTube channel, creating an Instagram account, creating email marketing newsletters, and so much more. Number 2 is SEO. Basically, when you have a page and you want to make that page rank for certain keywords, you have to optimize that page according to the searches that people are making. So if I am searching how to grow a bonsai tree at home with low budget and your blog has the most relevant keywords around it, you will be ranked higher by Google than others. Number 3 is PPC, pay per click. It is when an advertiser pays for every click that the platform gets. So every time a user goes and clicks on your ad, you pay to the platform. That is PPC. Number 4 is CTR, click-through rate. It's a percentage which tells the number of times a person clicks on the ad or on the content upon the total number of times it is shown to the people. For example, if a thumbnail of a video is shown to 100 people on YouTube, out of that, let's say 12 people click on it. That is a 12% CTR. Number 5 is AVD, average view duration. It is the average length to which a video is being consumed by a user on any platform. Another one is APV, average percentage viewed. Say I have a 10-minute video, but on average people watch it for about 3.5 minutes. The average watch duration would be 3.5 minutes and the average percentage viewed would be 35%. Number 6 is the conversion rate. It is the percentage of users who sign up for an offer. It could be to buy something, it could be to sign up for your email newsletter, anything. Bounce rate. It is the percentage of users who come on your website but leave it only after viewing one page. Number 8 is CPC, cost per click. It is the amount that you pay as an advertiser for every click you get in a PPC campaign, in a pay per click campaign. With that, you also have CPM, which is cost per mil. It's a number on YouTube, which tells that for every 1,000 views in which the ad was shown, the advertiser paid this much to YouTube. Then you also have RPM, which is for the creator, revenue per mil. For every 1,000 monetized playbacks in which the ad was shown, the creator makes RPM. Number 9 is impressions, which is basically the amount of times a piece of content or an ad is shown to people. Number 10 is engagement rate. Now this is a metric which could either be the number of likes, the number of average views, the number of comments, number of subscribers, which basically tells the health of a social media account. If the number of likes is the metric, and let's say I have a following of 1 million, but I on average get 50,000 likes, that is going to be a 5% engagement rate. Number 11 is retargeting, which is when you show an ad or reach out to the same people who've previously interacted with your website or with your ad. Number 12 is lead generation. It is the process of finding leads or people who are interested to sign up for your service and then building a sales pipeline to reach out to them later. Another keyword is lead magnet, in which you basically send like a free sample, a PDF, a newsletter, anything for free, which makes them sign up for your service for free. And that gets you their email or their contact number, and then you can reach out to them again and again and build a connection with them. Number 13 is a funnel, which is basically the journey that a customer would take from getting to first know about your brand, so awareness, to actually purchasing your product and continuing to do so. That is the funnel. You have a top of the funnel, you have the middle of the funnel, and then you have a bottom of the funnel. So tofu, mofu, and bofu. Number 14 is A/B testing. It is when you are trying to test out two versions of something to see what performs better. It could be testing out two thumbnails, it could be testing out two ad creatives, it could be testing out two copywriting parts of an ad. 15 is KPI, or key performance indicator. It's basically the North Star metric that you have that defines success for a campaign or for a platform. Let's say for me, the KPI on this YouTube channel is the number of followers that I build. So when you know that, you always optimize for the number of followers that you can gain. Number 16 is ROAS, return on ad spend. The amount of money that you get back when you put a rupee or a dollar into an ad campaign. Let's say that you have a ROAS of 1.3. That basically means that you're putting in 100 rupees, you're getting back 130 rupees. That's a positive ROAS. Let's say the ROAS is 0.8. That means that you're putting in 1000, you're getting back 800 rupees. Number 17 is Meta Pixel, or it was previously called Facebook Pixel, which is basically a code snippet that you enter into your website, which helps you track the user behavior of anyone who comes on your platform. So you check flights on Skyscanner and then you go on some other blog. You will see the same flight ad on that other blog because Skyscanner has installed Metapixel into their platform and they're tracking you wherever you go. Number 18 is lookalike audience. It is when Facebook or Google can help you target similar audiences to the ones that you've defined right now. It's very common for you to hear people say that let's build a lookalike audience by inputting your current users and then targeting to them through ads. Number 19 is Core Web Vitals, which is basically Google's way of measuring how effective a website is. That could be through the loading speed, interactivity, or usability. And the last one is UTM parameters. Say you want to track if someone purchased your product or not. Well, you can do that by putting tracking parameters into the link that you are sending them to click on. When they click on that, you can track the exact customer journey and measure what matters. So UTM parameters will always be attached ahead of your normal link. And there you go. These were the top 20 keywords that you need to know if you're getting started with digital marketing in 2025. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I'll come back with more videos on digital marketing. Let me know which one I should be making below in the comments as well. I'll see you in the next video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this. There's also another video which I've made over here about how to get started with digital marketing and how to get a job. And this video has the best courses for you to learn digital marketing in 2025. I'll see you in the next video.